Hello, this is Bobby at Copal TV Repair. Today with a video for Emerson LF501EM5F. It says Emerson on the front, but as you can see here, it says Funai Corporation. So this TV was made by Funai for Emerson. They also do it for Philips and release it under Magnavox and a different model number. And I also have a 40-inch model that is going to be showing similar problems. Now, this TV that we have here, it opens up just around the edge. The screws are easy to figure out, and we've already done that. What I'm gonna do here is just plug it in. What it does is just winds, power cycling. It's not exactly whining, but high frequency pitch. You're going to hear it. I don't know if you can hear that. You just say beep, beep. About once every 2 seconds, it tries to start up and it doesn't. And it just does that, beeping. And this video is to help you save some time troubleshooting things. There are several different failures we have seen so far. I'm sure there is a failure happening in the power board. We haven't seen one yet. What we have seen is several different failures on the main board. Right now they're still available and cheap, but I'm pretty sure by the time you look at that video at some later moment, there will be probably not so many boards available and the price will start raising. A few things you want to show, you want to see is first, one problem we have seen with that board is a low resistance level, which is what is making that board to power cycle. It has 11 ohms and should be way more between chassis, ground, and the power that it takes from the main, the standby power. I think it was 24 volts or 21 or whatever it was. If we disconnect that, that resistance is still going to be here. I believe the first few pins are like that. And there is a problem on that board that causes that shortage. It is addressed in our repair kit. We give you the component that we've seen a few times short out and the location for it. Another thing we've seen on that board, and that's true for many boards of those generations, is of course the EEPROM going bad. If the EEPROM goes bad, the typical failure for the board is just totally dead TV. This is not so common for now, but I wouldn't be surprised if they start failing over time because the protection for those is not very well done. It's easy to mess the information in there. It's just that they haven't spent a lot of time making sure that the memory doesn't get overwritten randomly and badly and screwed up. Another problem we have seen with yet another board here is the main processor. Now for this one, the short, and it was a reliably good short, was not on the standby power, it was on, it wasn't on the amplifier. You know where we found it? On the 3.3 volts. Let me remember where that was. That is the IC, the main rectifier. Trying to remember where did we detect that on the board. Just a second. I am almost 100% sure that the short was on the 3.3 volts here, and we traced it further back and further down, and that's what I'm trying to remember, but there was a shortage here. Now of course like that you wouldn't be able to remember anything. Here's a good working board. It has 400 ohms on the 3.3 volt rail. And the bad one, now it has the IC off, it's not gonna be so bad, was very low, something like 433 again. after we took out the chip. So those are three different things, and they will all be in our repair kit for that board. Over time we may add more, and hopefully that will save you some time and money when those boards become unavailable. Thank you.